Okay, so I'm
protected
recording.
devices.
I'm letting you know right now. I'm recording in a public space. This is a public area. The only place that is not allowable is the courtroom. So I'm exercising my First Amendment right as a First Amendment auditor to record today. So I'm not going to be rude and stick the camera in your face, but can you please say your name for the record?
No, our conversation
Okay.
is bringing other recording devices, professional recording devices into.
I am a professional. Would you like to see
It doesn't matter.
Would you
Even
like
the
to see
press-
my
even
credentials?
The press are not allowed to have it without written permission by a judge.
In a public space, yes, I am. Okay?
You're not familiar
Yes, I
otherwise.
am. In the courtroom, that's when I need permission from the judge. In the courthouse, in the public area, if you're going to tell me that this is a private space, then you'd be violating my rights.
You're not allowed to bring
Okay,
photography
so
equipment.
that sign, let me go over here. Let me record.
Right here. You're not going
Let
any
me
farther.
record.
You're not
Okay, so
allowed
you're
into the
violating
building.
my rights.
You're not allowed into the building with
Okay.
that equipment. So you can
Okay.
leave the equipment.
You're not taking my equipment.
Okay, then
So
you
you're
leave
going
the
to.
building and leave it someplace else.
Okay, no, because you don't have any right to tell me to leave the building.
Yes, I
This
do.
is a
I have
public
every right.
space. This is a public space. If I have to be in cuffs today, then so be it. You're not going to violate my First Amendment right. And you're going live.
And what time is your appointment?
2 o'clock. I got here early to actually speak with you about this. The public has a right to record in public
Am I
spaces.
stopping you from recording? Yes
Well,
or no?
you try to.
No,
You're
I-
trying to.
How am I trying you?
This officer doesn't know her law.
You don't either.
Okay, yes I do.
No, you don't.
Obviously, I'm telling you what it is right now.
You don't need to
And
tell
everybody
me. I'm
don't
very
know
much upon it.
everything, so I'm not trying to
So if you
argue
wanna
with
come in the
you
building, you have to
and
check
be
any of the
condescending.
professional
I'm just
devices.
saying I am exercising my right to record and take pictures in a public space. Again, this is a public space and I'm not breaking any law. Have I violated any laws?
No.
Okay, so I haven't broken any laws, and so therefore you have no right to prevent me from moving forward because now
Yes,
you
because
now
you
you
have
are
equipment
telling me now
in
you
your
are
bag.
telling me that you are
not gonna keep doing this.
you are preventing me from my freedom of movement by threatening to arrest me.
Did I say I was arresting you?
Well, what is this?
Am I arresting you?
What is this?
Am I arresting you?
What is this? I'm under a threat of arrest right now because you're stopping me from moving forward. That's my
Telling you
First
can't
Amendment.
proceed with the
That's my
professional
First
recording.
Amendment right. I'm just putting this to the side.
Can you please check your
No, I'm not. That's my right to record as a media company.
So you can't come in.
It's my right to record as a
Say all you
media
want, but
company.
you can't come in with
Well, you're violating my right. My First Amendment right, that is. And if you don't know the law, you might want to go and read up about it. I can't come into a public space. Can you tell me what part is private and what part is public?
The building,
Is
once
this-
you pass the magnetometers, you cannot bring
Okay,
recording
so-
equipment
so-
of professional nature
Okay.
without written permission
And
by
what
the
law
judge.
says that? Is that supreme law?
State law.
What violation? That is
The
not,
rules
sir.
of the court.
Sir, that is not state law. That is not federal
I'm not here to
law.
argue with you. I'm just
Okay,
telling you how it is.
I happen to be a legal researcher and a First Amendment auditor, and I have read the laws that give me the right to record in a public space. And so I am exercising my right. Once again, I know I'll be repetitive in saying this, but
You're going to miss your court time at 2 o'clock
Okay.
if you keep this up. Because
Well, you know what? I guess it will be worth it to exercise my right of freedom of movement, and I will sue you. This will be another thing that I take to the federal court. You know, they just passed laws saying that we as the public can record. Okay, well, obviously not if you're still trying to stop me. You're trying to stop me. You have a sign over there that you won't let me go and record. It's on the wall. It's on the wall.
I know it's on the wall. We put it up.
Okay, so I would like to go and take a picture of it,
Not
if
now.
you don't mind.
Not
Well,
without-
why not? Why are you
You
telling,
ju-
am
you
I
could-
breaking any law?
By bringing, yes, which is not
Okay,
bad.
so
You have
he-
not gained entrance
again, after I passed the could you say that again on the record? I just came through the magnometer and I am in the courtroom in a public space. Okay, please be quiet because you don't know what you're talking about. Please, I'm asking you, be quiet because you don't know what you're talking
Tell my
about.
officer what to do.
I am telling you to be quiet if you don't know what you're talking about. Sorry. So here is the thing that the microphone, that is the problem.
Get permission from the judge, you can bring it in.
I'm supposed to have permission from the judge when it's inside the courtroom, okay?
can't bring
I
it back
am
to
supposed to
Magna
get permission from the judge when it's inside the courtroom. This is not the courtroom. This is the part of the courthouse, which is the public area. Do you see what I mean, people? You see all of this beautiful public space for the public that we can utilize, but they keep trying to act like it's for them when it's for the public. Why are you following me around step by step?
Because
I'm
you're
not
not
going
permitted to go any
anywhere.
further.
I'm not going anywhere. Okay. I'm not going anywhere
Well,
because
then
I'm
keep
under the
moving.
threat. I'm under the threat of
have
arrest,
people
and I
coming
don't
in.
want to be manhandled,
I haven't
and I
touched
don't
you.
want to be touched,
I haven't
and I
touched you.
don't want to be threatened. But you're stopping me from moving.
I'm stopping you from
You're
proceeding.
stopping me from moving forward. That's what you're doing. That's illegal. Okay? It's illegal what you're doing.
So you're saying that you're not going to let us check the recording device before you enter?
No, it's a part of my media
You're not-
company.
You're not permitted to
Like I
enter.
said. Let me show my documents. My media company. Okay. Certified media company. It's my tax records, some of them. Certified records. You see that? Certified records. Not that I have to prove anything because I am the public. And if you're the public, then you have a right to record. I submitted these documents to the courthouse about 2-3 weeks ago. I submitted these documents with the case to let the court know that I am a corporation. Okay, so you have no right to stop me from moving forward. Okay? There you go. Excuse me. You have no right. I've been in business since 2003. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. I have a right to record.
Here. Want to read the memo?
Prohibited.
Read the first lines. From the courthouse.
Here they are with the another rules and procedures. Okay? What do you want me to read? That's a whole memo. Can you please read it off? Because
Read it. It
I'm
says-
not getting
Read the first
where.
paragraph. It tells you right there. Not
No,
permitted
it does
in
not.
public.
It does not prohibit me. This is rules and procedures, right? Okay, so rules and procedures do not trump federal and state law. The state law is that if you could show me state law and not rules and procedures of the courthouse? Because the law, and we know this, come on, we know
So if
this.
you have any problem
We
with the
know
issue,
that the law
you can
trumps
contact the
your
court.
rules and procedures, right? Okay. Okay.
You don't want to read the memo or follow what
Okay.
it says.
I don't want to read any rules and procedures. Show me some law. Show me.
You can't go upstairs, and
Ma'am,
that's the
with,
bottom line.
with all due respect,
With all due respect,
show
that's the bottom
me
line. He just showed
the
you.
law.
I'm
You're
done talking.
showing me the procedure. I know you're done talking because you know I'm right, and you don't have anything to back up what you're saying besides your rules and procedures. So you can be done all you want. Just be respectful. Prohibiting me from coming into my court case to record in a public space. Look, way too close. Look, I'm standing back, being respectful. Oh, this officer, she's okay. She's okay now. They get mad when you start exercising your rights, when you won't let them bully you.
I'm not mad.
They get
Have I
mad.
raised my voice?
They get mad.
Have
They
I raised my
upset.
voice at all?
You don't have to raise your voice to be rude or to violate people's rights. You don't have to raise your voice. You could simply be doing what you're doing.
I showed it to you in
Okay,
writing.
show me law.
And
Show
you
me
still
law
don't wanna
because I can
follow
show you the law.
I'm not
I can
telling
show
you
you the law that says that I have a right to record in a public space. I could show you that.